Hey guys, hope you're all having a really good day and welcome to our first ever YouTube video. Last week we went on an epic road trip around Austria and saw some stunning places. I mean, the driving alone is absolutely mind-blowing. You get to see some incredible things, but today we're heading to Gollinger Waterfall. We were staying in a hotel just outside of Salzburg and the drive down there was pretty easy. It took us about 40 minutes altogether. The ticket price to enter is €5 each, but it's definitely worth the price. In this part of Austria, there's so many beautiful things to see. Endless mountains, crystal clear lakes, waterfalls obviously, but yeah, you're really sport for choice. The walk is super easy. From the car park to seeing the waterfall, you're looking at no more than 10 minutes. Once you get to the waterfall, it's a really good way to cool down. The spray that hits your face, it's absolutely gorgeous. And this is a great place to get your Instagram pics. We kept going up the path for another 10 minutes or so, which led us up to a higher viewpoint. I was absolutely amazed by how few people were here. This was peak season and I must have seen another 10 people all morning. Gollinger Waterfall isn't the tallest in Austria, standing at 75 meters, but it's certainly one of the most attractive, especially with this beautiful hike up. The pathway up was pretty easy to navigate. We were both wearing flip-flops and all you gotta do is just keep an eye on where you're walking, but otherwise I would say it's pretty easy. This is the second viewpoint, and again, you see no people, so if you want to grab that selfie, take a couple of shots, this is the place to do it. This was such a peaceful place. You can hear the sounds of the birds, the water rushing, the air is super clean. Yeah, it was a really, really beautiful day. So once you get to the top, you're hit with this massive spray, which is just what you need after the walk up there. This is the spot where you just want to take 5 minutes, relax for a little bit, and cool down.
With a name, but in our longing hearts, we're all the same. We can make it happen, turn things around. Let's be the change we want to see.
You saw in the intro that we went rafting. Right next to the entrance of Gollinger Waterfall, there's a rafting office. I went in and spoke to the guy, sounded pretty good, spoke to Rika, and we decided to sign up.
We are links in a chain.
The price I thought was pretty reasonable. It was €60 each, but that's for half a day and everything's included.
In this we're all the same. We're links in a chain. We are the railroad workers. We are the train.
The organisers are called Torrent, and they looked after us really well. Most of them were English speaking, so the language wasn't a problem.
Among your peers. Oh.
In total, we travelled over 90 kilometres on the rafts, which is quite the distance when you're going through these strong currents. I would say we definitely got our money's worth.
On a important wagon, on a moving train.
The water, even in the summer, was 8 degrees. So when you go in the water, you soon get back into the raft. They broke it up really nicely, stopping off at these jump spots where you can leap into the water and feel the strength of the currents. Rika definitely wasn't convinced at first, but eventually we went in together and I think she really enjoyed it.
We are links in a chain.
If you guys are going to come to Gollinger Waterfall, I highly recommend doing the rafting. It's a great way to spend half your day, and at the end of it, you'll definitely say it was worth it. Well guys, that's it for our first video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see some more of these videos. There's plenty more to show you from this trip, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.
On a moving